this video, I'm gonna tell you the #1 daily nutrition rule that makes the biggest impact for me for getting lean and staying healthy. Then I'll share my favorite daily habit that helps me stick to it. This habit was crucial for me during the prep for this photo shoot when I lost 10 pounds in 8 weeks while gaining muscle. Stay tuned and you can copy my exact template and jumpstart your fat loss and healthy habits. I'm Victor and I'm a certified nutrition coach, personal trainer, and health coach. I spent 5 years operating a fitness meal prep company, and I know just a tiny bit about using nutrition as the game changer to destroy fat, dominate the competition, and feel awesome. So what's my favorite nutrition rule? It's all about getting 800 grams of fruits and vegetables per day. I know that sounds like a lot, but let's talk about why, and then I'll tell you the easy way to make it happen at the end of this video. So why 800 grams? This landmark study, they found that 800 grams of fruits and veggies per day is the sweet spot for preventing chronic disease and death. That dosage was found to be associated with lowered risk of heart disease by 32%, stroke by 64%, all types of cancer by 12%, and premature death of all causes by 40%. That's huge. Now, the other massive benefit, because that's all long-term and sometimes it's very difficult for us to keep in mind. The really big benefit for fat loss is that 800 grams of fruits and veggies takes a ton of space in your stomach for very few calories. That means we can eat way more food for far fewer calories. And so if you've ever struggled with hunger while trying to lose fat, this is gonna be huge for you. It's what we call dietary displacement. Studies have shown that people who satisfy hunger using calorie-dense foods like burgers or pizza, they eat 2 to 3 times more calories per day. So if we satisfy our hunger with fruits and veggies, we're still able to enjoy that good stuff, but usually in moderation, and we are able to use a little bit more self-control. Now, that being said, here is my favorite daily habit that gets me a third of the way to my 800 gram goal every day. So I'm talking about my daily rainbow smoothie. It gets me every color of the plant food rainbow, a nice protein boost, and it erases my hunger all morning. Best of all, it's ready in 2 minutes and it tastes like fucking dessert. So here's the exact recipe and shopping list so you can try it out. But make sure you stick around for the most important part, which is the prep. If you don't do the prep, it actually takes a bit longer every morning. And for me, it was long enough where I would just not stick with it. So that's sort of the key in terms of shortening the daily time commitment and staying with it. But as far as the shopping list goes, I do my shopping at Costco and Wegmans, but you can find the same stuff at your grocery store. So all you need is sandwich bags, bananas, mini cucumbers, frozen blueberries, frozen strawberries, this frozen fruit blend of mango, pineapple, peach, and strawberries, which I used to get at Costco, but my local warehouse no longer has it, so I get it at Wegmans now. And then you'll need this Fairlife fat-free milk. This milk is ultra filtered, so it's very high in protein, has very few calories, and it's lactose free. So if you suffer lactose blowouts, then this is for you. You won't find that at Costco, but it's in most grocery stores. So for the recipe, it's just 1 banana, 1 mini cucumber, 30 grams of frozen blueberries, 30 grams combined of the pineapple, mango, and peach, then 30 grams of frozen strawberries, and 1 cup or 250 grams of milk. Blend on max speed for about 45 to 50 seconds, and you're done. That's it. This thing clocks in at 260 calories with 16 grams of protein and 6 grams of fiber. Now for the prep. So I used to lug out all these different big bags of fruit every day and measure individually every day, which was a huge waste of time. And because of that, I never really stuck with it, or I would just have so many days when I was in a rush that I just skipped it. So here's how I fixed that problem. Once a week, I wash all the cucumbers, measure out the frozen fruit, and separate them into pre-packed sandwich bags. That way, in the morning, all you have to do is dump, blend, and go. So grab out your 7 sandwich bags, open them up, grab 30 grams out, and then place it into each bag. You can tear between each bag, or if you're good at math, just go 30, 60, 90, 120, 150. So by the time you get to bag 2 or 3, you'll actually have a really good feel for how much to grab for each bag. And it just gets faster and faster. You might want, if you have like food safe gloves, to use those because it just saves time and it gets a little bit cold grabbing so much frozen fruit. So, or you can use like a scoop. Then just repeat that for each fruit, one color at a time. That way in the morning, all you have to do is dump the bag in, drop the banana and cucumber in, measure out the milk, and blend away. That's it. Rest of the, 500-ish grams of the 800 gram daily target, I also do, cherry tomatoes and mini cucumbers and purple yams as snacks. And for lunch, pretty much every weekday lunch, I'll have a salad kit, and I use only half the fixings and dressing to lower the calorie content a little bit, because actually it's pretty crazy with the whole thing, and actually the taste is a little bit overwhelming. Then for dinner, it's usually a stir fry, a veggie stew, or another salad if I'm feeling super lazy. If you just want more videos like this one, it would mean the world to me if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share with a friend who could benefit from the content. I'm on a mission to share everything I've learned based on scientific evidence and my successes and failures for myself and working with clients. If you're able to save just a fraction of the decades and the tens of thousands of dollars I spent to get where I am, then making this content will have been worth it. See you next time.